Good morning, children. This is Mahalakshmi. Today we learn about bee reading, the selfish giant, part 2. Okay? Old giant. One morning I was laying awake in bed when I heard some lovely music. The old giant laying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music. It sounded so sweet. It sounded was very so sweet that I thought it must be the king's magician passing by. He was thought about that music, king's magician passing. Okay, but it was really only a little linnet bird singing outside my window. But it was not king's magician passing music. This is the linnet bird singing outside my window. Here, linnet bird means a small brown and grey bird. Okay, a small brown and grey bird. It was so long since I had heard. It was so long he heard this type of music. Why the park is lonely. I had heard a bird sing in my garden that it seemed to me to be the most beautiful music in the world. He was listening the sweet song of the linnet bird singing. That was very beautiful music in the world. He feels that one. The giant. The hail has stopped dancing over my head. The giant feels, the hail has stopped dancing over my head. Here, hail means small balls of ice that fall like rain. Okay, this is the one kind of rain. The hail has stopped dancing over my head. Why? Because he listening the linnet bird singing. After that, the hail has stopped dancing over my head. He feels that. Okay. And the north wind has ceased his roaring. The north wind has ceased his roaring. Ceased means stop happening. What happening on the park? The north wind has ceased his roaring. A delicious smell is coming from the window. A delicious smell is coming from the window. I believe the spring has come at last. Okay, here the giant feels he listening the linnet bird singing, and also a delicious smell is coming from the window. He feels and also he believes the spring has come at last. The giant jumps out of bed and looks out. He jumps out of the bed and looks out. Why? The north wind has really comes my park. Okay. Through a little hole in the wall, the children have crept in. What he was is the children have crept in and are sitting the branches of the trees. The children have sitting the branches of the trees. He saw in his park. Old giant. In every tree I could see a little child. In every tree I could see a little child. The trees were so glad to have the children back again. The trees were so glad. Here glad means joyful or pleased. Okay. The trees were so glad to have the children. So the trees were very glad. Why the children back again? Okay. That they had covered themselves with blossoms. They are covered with blossoms and were waving their arms gently above the children's heads. The trees are waving. Here waving waving means move like a wave. Okay, move. Here like these like. Okay. Waving their arms gently above the children's heads. The birds were flying about. The birds are flying about here, flying about, and twittering with delight. Twittering means making a series of short high sounds, okay, with delight. And the flowers were looking up through the green grass, and the flowers are looking very nice through the green grass and laughing. The flowers also laughing. It was a lovely scene. The park is very beautiful. That is very lovely scene. Only in one corner it was still winter. One corner it was still winter continuous. It was the farthest corner of the garden, and in it was standing a little boy. There, farthest corner of the garden, a small little boy standing there. He was just so small that he could not reach up to the branches. The little boy was so small he could not reach up the branches. Because he was so small boy, he could not reach up the branches of the tree, and he was wandering all round it. After he was wandering means move about without a definite aim. He was all round it, crying bitterly. After he was crying slowly, bitterly. Okay, the poor trees was still quite covered with frost and snow. The poor tree was covered full the snow and frost, and the north wind was blowing and roaring above it. The north wind blowing and roaring about it. Climb up, little boy, said the tree. Climb up, little boy, said the tree. Here these words are, says the tree. Why the small boy could not reach up the branches of the tree. So the tree feels sad. After the tree said, climb up, little boy, and it bent its branches down as low as it could. After he was also the tree was bent its branches down as low as it could. Why? Because the small boy was crying bitterly. So the tree was bent its branches down as low as it could. But the little boy was too tiny. Boy, so he could not reach the branches. It was then that my heart melted. It was then that my heart melted. The scene saw the old giant. His heart was melted. Children, look at this picture. This picture is part 2, the selfish giant. Okay, listen. The giant. How selfish I have been. The giant feels how selfish I have been. Now I know why the spring would not come here. He knows why the spring would not come here. Before he see this full of scene in his park. What is that scene? The boy was very small. He could not reach the branches of the tree. He feels and bitterly crying. The tree was very sad feeling. After the tree bending, she said, come up, climb up, little boy, said the tree, and it bent its branches down as low as it could. Okay, the tree says, the tree not thinking selfish, the tree is bent because the little boy reached the branch, but the little boy was very tiny. He could not reach the tree. He saw this scene in his park. He was changed. why I have been a selfish. What he was being selfish in this, the selfish giant part 1. I built a high wall all round and put up a notice board. He built a wall and also notice board. What is that board? Transparencies will be projected. This notice board also he put on the. Okay, he feels very selfish and also doing some work, selfish work. Okay, he feels after saw this scene in his park. I will put the poor little boy on the top of the tree. He will put the poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then will now knock down the wall, and my garden shall be the children playground forever and ever. My garden shall be the children playground forever and ever, because the giant was changed, his character was changed, he was not do the selfish works. Okay children, today homework is comprehension question and answers. These four question and answers write down, and also next Roman 2, complete the following sentences choosing the correct answer from the choices given below. Here some choices is given, you read and put the correct answer. These 5 choosings also you write down. Okay, this is the today's homework.